How to change songs in Capcut template. Let's get started. Launch your Capcut app. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different tabs. Head over to the tab templates. Now here you're gonna find tons of template option, or also you can search for the specific template that you were searching for. For this guide, I will be using this one template. Once you have selected the template, click on the option Use Template. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the videos and photos required for the template. Now you can watch your full video and then click on export once you are satisfied. You're gonna get two options, save to device, save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. Select the option save to device. Once you have saved the video to the device, you can head back, come to the main TikTok page and click on the option new project. Select the video that you have exported. Mute the audio for this video. Now select the option audio. Different options will appear. From this list, you can select any of it. I'm gonna select sounds. Now here you're gonna find different music option, or also you can search for the specific one that you wanna add to the template. I'm gonna select this one. Now you can adjust it. And once you're done, you can export it. So this way you can easily change songs in CapCut template. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.